Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. So right now there are two youngsters. Previous video I showed you his name is Hakim, but today the another person added to this video. He's my nephew named Siam. He is not eager to speak in English. He would like to go this place from this place, but I keep his hand. I never want to let to leave this place from him. I want to show him. His name is Siam. He's a student. I want to ask some question to him. He will answer. Not. I am help him. I will help him to answer these questions. Hello, man. What's your name? What's your full name?
My name is Siam Khan.
Siam Khan. Look at the camera, please. Look at the camera. What's your name?
My name is Siam Khan.
Look at the camera and answer. My name is Siam Khan. Are you a student?
Yes.
Yes, I'm a student. Say, I am a student. What class do you study?
Yes.
What class?
Class 7.
Class 7. He studies in class 7. He studies in class 7 and is student at a high school nearest our village. Do you go to school regularly?
Yes.
Did you go today?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. He went to the school today and he is a regular student and he wants to learn English, but he has sinus. No problem. If I teach him, I can make this person or this my nephew perfect in English. Do you want to learn English?
No.
No. Why? You don't have interest?
No.
Oh my God. He never wants to learn English. He has no interest. Like look at my hand. I have keeping him before my camera. He never wants to see something. He never wants to say something to my audience. Are you like this? Like Siam? If you like this person, you never learn English. You have to remove your shyness. Otherwise, it is very hard for you to learn English. I must teach him English. He wants or not, it doesn't matter. My goal to teach you, my goal to teach my local people how to speak in English, and I do it end of my life. Siam, you have to learn English with me. You have to practice with me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why are you laughing? Why are you smiling? Why? Siam, why are you smiling? Don't say anything.
No.
No. He just no, yes, no, yes, no. Nothing more. No problem. I will teach him. So, by the way, you have understood the Chinese boy, my nephew Siam. But this video must help you to practice more. If you practice like me, you will better get result in one day. Goodbye for now. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Tata.
Okay.
I hope